Welcome to the pinky routine. Today our goal is to work on our pinky finger coordination. Pro tip, you may need to watch this through once if it's the first time you're watching it to get the hang of the exercises. Let's get working on our pinky finger. Starting with exercise 1, the ring and pinky exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we're only using our ring and pinky fingers. And we're only going one note apart. Get to the top string, move up a fret, and carry on all the way up 12 frets. Now up a fret, ring and pinky every time. Up a fret and last one now. Amazing work, ring and pinky exercise complete. Exercise 2 are pyramids. Also guys, I've made for you a free guide in the description box below you can grab to work on these exercises and more at your own pace. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we're going to do all 4 fingers on the low E string, then 3, and then 2, 2, 3, then all 4. Move up a fret, and we're going to come back down in reverse. Always doing that pyramid shape. This way back down is amazing for our pinky independence. Okay, now up a fret, up to the 6th fret with our index finger we're going to go. Okay, up a fret, and this is the last one, back down. Okay, amazing work, pyramids complete. Next up, we're going to do hammering on and pulling off between all our other fingers and our pinky finger, starting on the 7th fret. You'll get the hang of it as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to hammer onto our pinky. And then once you get to the top, we're going to pull off on the way back down. So pluck once, pull off. Amazing work. Now we're going to go middle pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now the last one here, we're going to go between our ring finger and our pinky finger, 9th to 10th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing work. That's our hammering on and pull off section complete. If you need to take a break, go for it. Next up, we have semitone slides using our pinky finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just sliding up and down 1 fret here, moving up the strings as we do so. Once we get to the top, we're going to move up a fret and repeat until we get to the 6th fret. Okay, up and last one on the way back down, 6th to 7th fret. Amazing work, semitone slides complete. Now we're going to do pyramid slides. We're going to do that same pyramid shape we did earlier, but with our pinky finger and with that sliding technique. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, last round now. And this is our last exercise of the day. Great job, guys. That's the pinky routine complete. This routine is great for unlocking pinky coordination and improving techniques that involve your pinky finger, like the slides and hammer-ons and pull-ups. Grab that free guide in the description box for more beginner exercises and to work at your own pace. There's also some free downloadable drum tracks that come with it, so you can practice this at different speeds as well. Great job, and I'll see you in the next video.